Wow, what? Wow. Oh my god. It really concealed my under eyes. Oh, you can't even see any patches or lines over here. I have not even set it with the powder. What's up my cuties? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Priyanka and today's video is going to be about my Nykaa haul. I have recently ordered some products from Nykaa Pink Sale. Super duper excited to share this with y'all. So let's get started. So these are my parcels from Nykaa and I'm so happy that I'm finally unboxing them. In this vlog I am going to talk in Hindi. ऐसा कोई particular reason नहीं है why, but it's just that I just wanted to talk in Hindi in this video. So yeah, let's get started with the unboxing because I'm so excited. Let's go. ये सारे जो products है ये sponsored नहीं है, so I just wanted to share with you all what I got. And the first lot we have this. So this is the Dot & Key's Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Sunscreen and it has a water-like texture. It has SPF 50 PA+++++. I mean, whoa, this is really nice for a sunscreen. Twinning with my sunscreen. This is for all skin types, gives you a very dewy finish and fights dullness and dark spots. It's for 50 gram. I'm so excited to try this. Let's move on to our next product. So this is the Earth Rhythms pH activated lip and cheek tint. It's a glass tint. It doesn't have a color. It is transparent. pH activated lip and cheek tint. And as you can see, this is transparent. Wow. Wow, what? Oh my god, you see it's transparent. What? And it gives a very dewy finish. है ना? ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा है कि मैंने अलग से कुछ ब्लश लगाया है. It looks like it is very natural. So I'm definitely going to carry this in my bag every time I step out from my home. This is their Insta Ready Illuminating Highlighter from Inside. This is in the shade Rose Gold. It's a stunning rose gold. Oh my god. And इसके नीचे ना there is this puff kind of a thing that they have provided. Okay, so इतना ही product है इसमें. 7.5 grams of product. Let's try out because I'm so excited. Wow. Can you see the glow? See? So affordable and the color is amazing. The best part is it is paraben free, vegan, it is cruelty free, it is non-sticky, yes, it is oil free, yes, definitely oil free. Gives a very natural radiance and glowing look, yes, of course it does. Can you even find the difference कि I have applied any highlighter? आपको समझ भी नहीं आएगा कि आपने कोई highlighter भी apply किया है because it is that natural and gives you a very glowing look as it claims to be. Next product is from Mars Cosmetics. Super happy because finally I have ordered this. So this is Mars Candylicious lip gloss in the shade Choco Pie. It's a superb glassy brown shade. It has a 4 ml of product and it's super affordable. So now I don't have anything on my lips. Let's try out the Mars Choco Pie Candylicious lip gloss. Let's watch it on my hand and oh my god, you can see the gloss already. To be honest, it's very lightweight on my lips and I'm loving the formula. Look at how plumpy my lip looks like. Doesn't feel sticky at all. And also, it smells like chocolate toffee. Chocolate toffee. I'm definitely going to buy more shades of the Candylicious lip gloss by Mars. The next product is a concealer from L'Oreal Paris. It is the Inflammable Full Wear Concealer. I have the shade 312 Amber. 2 dots only. I'm not going to ruin my makeup now. Okay. And one on here. I have already applied foundation. Only 2 dots did the work. Okay, let's try this side as well. This claims to give you a full coverage. Yes, it does. It really concealed my under eyes. Oh, you can't even see any patches or lines over here. I have not even set it with a powder. One of the best concealers that is there in the market. Next product is this Swiss Beauty's cream blush, and it has shea butter. It claims to be highly pigmented, lightweight and long lasting. The next product is lip gloss from Swiss Beauty, the Swiss Beauty's Shine and Plump lip gloss. It has 4 ml of product. तो मैंने जो मार्स का अप्लाई किया था, let me remove this and then I will apply this. This is the doe foot applicator. आई डोंट नो, ये थोड़ा सा पीची है, थोड़ा सा ट्रांसपेरेंट भी है. मेरे को एग्जैक्टली समझ नहीं आ रहा है, बट इट एक्चुअली कैचेस माय जो नेचुरल लिप कलर है. सो देर आर सम ग्लिटरी पार्टिकल्स ऑन द लिप ग्लॉस. दिस इज वाई इट्स सो शाइनी. And the next product we have is Mars mascara. So it has 2 sides in it. That is why it's called Double Trouble. One side of the mascara has thoda sa volume and the other side of the mascara has more volume. And I'm really excited to try this out. So yeah. So the Mars Seal the Deal makeup fixer is here. Hyaluronic acid, niacinamide and vitamin C. And it claims to give you a natural finish. It is long lasting and budge proof. So it has 60 ml of product. इट्स अ वेरी फाइन स्प्रे. मतलब ये स्प्रे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. इट्स ऑलरेडी गिविंग मी अ नेचुरल फिनिश. इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय अ गुड मेकअप फिक्सर फॉर अफोर्डेबल प्राइस, this is definitely the one. Yeah, let's move on to our next product. So this is the Swiss Beauty's mattifying makeup primer. It claims to blur the pores and smoothens the base. It has vitamin A plus jojoba. I am looking forward to try this out and see if it works or not. These are my purchases from Nykaa Pink Sale and I am super excited to try all of them. Also, I wanted to say thank you so much for showering all the love on my previous Nykaa haul video. And if you haven't watched my previous Nykaa haul video yet, then please go and watch it first. Yeah, make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such videos related to travel, vlogs, makeup, fashion and everything. Also, thank you so much for making it 50k. You guys are amazing. Let's make it 100k now. That is my next goal. And yeah, that's it for the video. I will see you in my next one. Till then, love you guys. Bye.